How to embed an Excel chart into Word. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and in today's video we will see how we can embed Excel chart on Word. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So first of all, open up your Excel chart. For example, I have this chart right here in the Excel. So if you want to embed the chart into Word, what you have to do is first of all click on your chart. After that, navigate to top left corner and on the Home tab, there you will have this copy option. Click on it. Now once you have copied your chart, after that, open up your Word file where you want to embed the Excel chart. So once you're on the Word, what you have to do is head towards the Home tab, and from there you have to click on this Paste drop down, and here click on Paste Spatial. And here click on the first option, that is Microsoft Excel chart object. Once done, click on OK. And there you go. The Excel or the chart has been copied. Now you can resize the chart. And there you go, the Excel chart has been embedded in your Word document. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.